Are you seeing multiplayer is disabled in Minecraft? Or you can't play with your friends or join LAN worlds because multiplayer is disabled? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some simple steps to fix this problem. First, open Minecraft on your device. Once the game loads, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Account option, then tap on it. Now, find Privacy and Online Safety and open it. This will redirect you to your browser. Once the page opens, make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account that you use to play Minecraft. After signing in, scroll down and select Xbox and Windows 10 devices Online Safety. Now, scroll down until you find the option. You can join multiplayer games. Make sure this option is set to Allow. Once you've done that, click on the Submit button to save your changes. If the Allow option isn't clickable for you, don't worry. Make sure your Microsoft account meets the required age settings, and if your account is part of a family group, check the family settings or leave that group. After saving the changes, completely close Minecraft from the background and then open the game again. Now, if I go to the Play section, as you can see, the multiplayer is disabled error is no longer showing, and multiplayer is working normally again. And that's how you can fix the multiplayer is disabled problem in Minecraft. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.